I have made, on this day when I am doing this program for you, made a commitment to myself that I will dedicate the rest of my life to make this world prosperous. Everybody will be prosperous. It is my dream. And my dream is to make everybody prosperous according to their level of consciousness. Their level of consciousness. You can raise to the level you can live up to. Shreem Brzee is out there to change that, and your commitment and your ability to stay with this program is everything. So I personally invite you to come and benefit from this program and change your consciousness to Shreem Brzee consciousness.